So today I want to talk about little girls fashion, and yeah, I know nothing about it, so end of conversation. But what I do know about is their clothes, and they grow out of their clothes like crazy. I've got two daughters, and it seems constantly that they're coming downstairs and, "Daddy, my clothes don't fit. Daddy, my clothes don't fit." So we constantly have extra clothes laying around. So today I'm going to Once Upon a Child, and we're going to take those clothes that would have been donated or given to someone and see if we can make some money on them. My wife loaded up 2 boxes, and I'm going to drop them off and see what we can make. So I dropped those clothes off at Once Upon a Child, and the cool thing is they're going to go through everything, and I can leave, and they're going to text me when they're ready. So that means I'm free to go do something else. Of course, that something else is go thrifting. So let's go hit a couple thrift stores and see if we can make some money while we wait to make some money. See you there. Just a few quick tips on selling clothes to Once Upon a Child. Number 1, they want items that are freshly laundered and stain free. So if your kid's been rolling around in the mud, don't bring their clothes in there to sell. Number 2, no plastic bags or garbage bags. They want something in a structured container like a box, bin, or tote. Number 3, right now they're only allowing 2 containers per visit. That keeps down the line and lets you get out of there quick. Number 4, they want recent stuff. They want toys or clothes made in the last 5 years. So the stuff your grandma made you wear, probably not going to work. Got this pair of Row Search jungle boots. They're vintage military boots. Paid $5.50 for these because she rang them up as kids boots at Goodwill because they're a small size. They're size 5R, so they may take a little while to sell, but I've got them listed for $64.50, and if I can get that, it's a good investment. Picked up this Nature's Oven. It's like a clay pot roaster type thing that you put in the microwave. Paid $8.94 for it. Looked it up because it was new in the box, and looks like it'll sell for around $59.99. So not too bad. Grab this Ube Chick-fil-A, I think that's how you say it, Ube, not real sure. But it's a Chick-fil-A team member jacket. It's a women's size large, and I paid $5.75 for it. Looks like they go for around $43, $44, so not too bad. So I grabbed this University of South Carolina logo athletic puffer jacket in really good condition. I couldn't leave it there. Paid $8.50 for it. Didn't really know what to charge for it. Couldn't find any comps on this thing online. So I reached out to my buddy Nate on Instagram. He deals with a lot of vintage and a lot of South Carolina stuff. He said at least 60 bucks. So I've got it listed for $74.50 with some best offers, and we'll see what we get. So I just got a text from Once Upon a Child. They said my buy is done. They're ready for me. So I am pulling in now, and we're gonna see what they're gonna offer me. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think they're gonna pay. I'm probably gonna accept whatever they tell me because stuff is gonna be donated anyway. But let me know what you think they're gonna pay me. Like I said, it was 2 medium-sized Home Depot boxes, so pretty good amount of stuff. Let me know. So this is the stuff that they passed on, the stuff they didn't want to buy. Like I said, both these boxes were full. So I'm leaving Once Upon a Child, and I am calling that a win. You saw all the stuff that was left that they didn't take in those 2 boxes. If you combined it, it probably filled up 1 box still. So I'm guessing they took about half the stuff, and they still paid me $152. Paid me $152. Paid me $152. So this was stuff that we were going to donate, that we had to get rid of because they weren't doing us any good. They didn't fit the kids anymore. So now, instead of just giving it away, we've got $152 to go out and buy new clothes. And Once Upon a Child has inventory, and we've still got stuff left to donate to make some other kid happy. It's a win-win all the way around as far as I can see. So now I am headed home. I'm going to get some inventory listed, stuff that I picked up today and yesterday. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.